This is how you cancel for Capcut Pro or the Capcut 7-day free trial. When you sign up for Capcut Pro, you automatically enter a 7-day free trial that will charge you if you don't cancel in time. So to stop it, you're going to have to cancel through the App Store where you started the subscription. If you sign up on iPhone or iPad, go to your device's settings and then tap on your name right here and then go to subscriptions by clicking on subscriptions and then find the CapCut in the list and tap cancel subscription. This will immediately stop the auto renewal, but you can still use the trial until it expires. So you can see CapCut right here. And when you have the 7-day free trial turned on, the cancel free trial is going to show up right there. Now, if you sign up on an Android, open the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon, and select payments and subscriptions, and choose CapCut, then hit cancel subscription. Again, you will still keep your access until the trial ends. Always make sure you cancel at least 24 hours before the trial ends to avoid unexpected charges. And that's how you cancel your CapCut 7-day free trial. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.